Hello, travelers! Welcome back! Have you ever felt that sudden jolt of anxiety while going through airport security or struggled with a suitcase that just won't close? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to avoiding TSA and packing mistakes. We'll reveal TSA secrets they don't want you to know, share game-changing packing hacks, and help you breeze through airport security like a seasoned pro. Let's get started. Demystifying the TSA process. First up, let's take a closer look at the TSA process. Many travelers think TSA agents have unlimited power, but that's not quite true. Yes, their job is to keep us safe, but did you know there are limits to what they can ask you? For instance, TSA agents can't force US citizens to unlock their phones, reveal laptop passwords, or hand over private social media profiles. And you don't have to toss your passport into the security bin. It's your right to keep it with you. What if you refuse a TSA request? Well, while agents can't arrest you, they can call law enforcement, who can. So it's always wise to stay calm, follow instructions, and avoid unnecessary confrontations. A little cooperation can go a long way. Let's also talk about a TSA technique called SPOT, or screening of passengers by observation techniques. This involves agents looking for behaviors that suggest stress, anxiety, or deception. Ever notice an agent giving you an extra long stare, even though you've done nothing wrong? You might just look nervous. Spot-trained agents are taught to detect behaviors like avoiding eye contact, fidgeting, or sweating even if you're just anxious about missing your flight. The best advice? Take a deep breath, stay calm, and move through the process with confidence. Remember, TSA agents are looking for threats, not just nervous travelers like us. Cracking the code. Secret TSA codes. Have you ever wondered what those scribbles on your boarding pass mean? TSA agents use secret codes to communicate discreetly. One code to watch for is SSSS, which stands for Secondary Security Screening Selection. This code can show up for a variety of reasons. Maybe you were randomly selected, you're traveling from a high-risk country, or you booked a one-way ticket. If you see SSSS, be prepared for a more thorough screening, which might include a body search, detailed bag check, and some questions about your travel plans. But don't worry, being flagged for extra screening doesn't mean you've done something wrong. Sometimes it's just the luck of the draw. And here's a fun fact. TSA agents have quirky codes for passengers. For example, they might use code ADOM for an unattended child. These codes are mostly harmless and remind us that TSA agents are observing more than we might think. Mastering the art of packing. Now, let's tackle packing, one of the most common travel challenges. Overpacking not only leads to extra fees, but also makes getting around the airport tougher. Mistake number 1, choosing the wrong luggage size. Each airline has different baggage policies, so check yours before you travel. There's nothing worse than showing up only to find out your bag is too big or too heavy. Pro tip, go for soft-sided luggage. It can expand, fit into tight spaces, and is less likely to get damaged in transit. Another mistake? Ignoring the TSA's liquid rules. The infamous 311 rule. This rule is why travelers often get held up at security. A quick refresher, liquids, gels, aerosols, creams, and pastes must be in containers of 3.4 ounces 100 milliliters or less, all fitting in a single clear quart-sized bag. Surprising items like peanut butter, mascara, and even some cheeses are considered liquids by TSA standards. Pro tip, use solid versions of your favorite products. Solid shampoo bars, lotion sticks, and bar soaps not only save space but also sidestep liquid restrictions, and they're eco-friendly. Preparing for the security line. The security line is where nerves often kick in, but preparation is key. Mistake number 3, not having a plan for your essentials. Know where your liquids and electronics are before you step into line. Keep them easily accessible, ideally in the front pocket of your carry-on, so you can grab them quickly when needed. Here's a pro tip. Practice the security shuffle at home. Lay out your bag, take out your liquids and electronics, then put them back. It might seem silly, but it can save you precious seconds. Mistake number 4. Wearing complicated clothing. Shoes with laces, belts, heavy jewelry, and jackets with zippers can slow you down. Go for slip-on shoes and keep it simple. And don't forget to wear socks. No one likes going barefoot through security. Avoiding costly mistakes. Unexpected expenses can ruin a trip, so here's how to avoid them. Mistake number 5. Not keeping an eye on your belongings. While you're answering TSA questions or navigating the body scanner, it's easy to lose track of your stuff. Unfortunately, theft can happen even in the security line. Keep a close eye on your items as they go through the X-ray machine and double-check that you have everything before moving on. Pro tip: place valuable items like your phone, wallet, and passport in the last bin, so they're the last to come out of the X-ray. This reduces the chance of them being swiped while you're still being screened. Mistake number 6. Not allowing enough time. You never know how long the security line will be, so plan to arrive early. As a rule of thumb, get to the airport at least 2 hours before domestic flights and 3 hours for international ones. If you're early, you can relax with a coffee instead of stressing about missing your flight. Packing hacks and space-saving tricks. Time for some space-saving packing hacks. Mistake number 7. Not utilizing every pocket of space. Use the gaps between your luggage handles, the corners of your bag, and even the inside of your shoes. Roll up socks and tuck them into your shoes. Mistake number 8. Not planning outfits efficiently. Instead of packing one outfit per day, create a capsule wardrobe of versatile pieces you can mix and match. Pro tip: stick to a color scheme, like neutrals, which you can dress up or down with accessories that don't take up much space. Mistake number 9. Packing too many shoes. Limit yourself to 2 pairs, plus the pair you're wearing, and make sure they're versatile. Extra tips and final thoughts. When it comes to luggage, soft-sided bags often win over hard shells. They're more flexible, fit into overhead bins better, and usually have exterior pockets. For neck pillows, consider wearing a hoodie or cardigan that can double as a pillow or blanket. More versatile and practical. As for dealing with TSA agents, a little kindness goes a long way. They handle countless passengers daily, so treating them with respect can make your experience smoother. And remember, you have the right to ask questions if you're unsure about anything. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to navigating TSA and packing mistakes. With these tips, you're ready to breeze through airport security and pack like a pro. Travel doesn't have to be stressful. With a bit of preparation, it can be part of the adventure. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more travel insights. Share your own experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, happy travels! May your suitcase be light and your security check swift.